Now you can call me BG. I'm from Mongolia. I just joined EOC program, which means English Only Challenge. So if you join this program, you should speak English all the time. They have some activities which include outdoor activity. 2 weeks ago, I went to CMD factory. Actually, I knew that product. When I was in Japan, I have seen that product, and actually I think I have eaten that product also. I can't believe I went to the factory and it was so memorable experience for me.
Hi, I'm Tosai. I'm from Japan. I've been part of EOC for 2 months already. First of all, I love mangoes, especially dried mangoes. Last November 24, we went to 70 mango factory as our EOC outdoor activity. When I arrived, they offered us mango purely for free. As a visitor, we were required to wear masks, etc. to enter the processing area and avoid food contamination.
Hi, my name is Ryusei Machida. I'm from Kyoto, Japan. When we had our outdoor activity, I learned that 70 Foods International is one of the Philippines' best dry mango production company. I learned a lot of things about this production company, especially how they process and manufacture the dry mangoes, and I appreciate how clean and organized the factory is.
If you want to experience the same fun and learning, choose SMEAG.
Choose SMEAG.
Choose SMEAG.